everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing summer essentials. I've got a bunch of products which I really want to share. But before that, I really want to tell you that I have combination skin, which means that my T zones are usually oily and rest of the face is like normal or a little drier at that end. Even these areas tend to become a little more drier. So I prefer moisturizer serums which are very watery or very gel consistency or midway. I don't like very heavy moisturizers, very creamy ones, because that doesn't suit my skin. I am someone who really would get you know attracted to something which is very watery and gel consistency like. So I have something that I've been using, and I have been absolutely loving it. So let's quickly get started. So the number one product I have is for underarm, and we all know that in summer we tend to sweat a lot more than usual, especially me. I have a real problem with body odor. I have like pigmented underarms, like super dark. So I really have to take care of it. So I recently got introduced to this one right here, which is the B Body Wise. This is something it looks like, and this is their AHA BHA 4%, I believe. Yeah, 4% AHA BHA underarm roll on, and this actually says that it actually controls the body odor and also helps to reduce the pigmentation, which is absolutely stunning and something that I was looking for in particular. So I really like this product. It's been really good so far. I will give like a detailed review only after 3 months. It's been like few weeks I've been using this, but I have to tell you, whenever I use this, the sweating tends to be a little lesser comparatively, and also it is really helping me with the pigment slowly and steadily. There's not a massive difference over 2 weeks, but yes, it is showing a little bit of difference, which I'm very happy about, which means that this product is working on my body. So I'm very happy with it. If you're someone who has the same problem of odor and that pigmented underarm, you can really give this a shot, because I really like this. And yeah, I'll just show you on how this looks. This really looks good. This comes with obviously like a roll on thing. You just have to roll it on, and it just works. So let's move to another product. Okay, so the next product is something that I absolutely loved, and I've been using it for a year now, which is the Vaseline body lotion, and this is their Gluta-Hya Dewy Serum Pin Lotion. Extremely beautiful. Like I said, I love something which has like gel-like consistency or watery consistency. This one right here, if you see, has like a very nice watery jelly consistency. Now I'm gonna blend it, and it blends so beautifully. Just see how beautiful this looks. It just blends beautifully, and it smells so damn beautiful. It has like very nice like very nice fragrance to it. I really like it. It's not very strong, it's very pleasant. Your body will really like it. I'm very sensitive when it comes to like smell. I don't like very fruity, very floral, very strong smell. I'm very into this mild smell kind of a girl. So I really like it. I like how it glides. There is no it takes like few seconds to glide in. So in summers you really need something that really guides in. It like glides in, and also don't want like heavy um moisturizer which takes like few minutes to glide in and everything. I really don't like something very heavy. I would prefer if it is good, but not in summer, probably in winters. But in summers, no, really want something that is super light. Now this has Gluta Glow, it has Hyaluron, and it also has niacinamide, and it says it is 10x times it is 10x times more powerful than vitamin C, and it is written it is non-sticky. So it is great. It is almost over. I have to get my hands on another one. So I'm going to get this, and I'm also going to try. Um, another variant also, which is the sunscreen, which comes with this gel consistency. So I'm very excited about it. I am gonna make like a part two of it for sure, because I've ordered like bunch of things for summer, and I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna give my first impression and also give you like a detailed review later on this month. But yes, I'm very excited for that. So if you like my content, go hit the subscribe button, like the video, and I'm gonna come up with part two. So I think that would be very, very useful and informative. So having said that, let's move to another product. Okay, so I have two moisturizers. Again, it has gel-like consistency, which I'm going to show. So the number one product I have is this. Now, this is a moisturizer. This is a Kesar and Kojic acid oil-free moisturizer. I love it. Has Kesar extract, it has alpha-arbutin, and it also has 1% Kojic acid, which actually means it really helps in, the pigments on your skin. It is very, very good. It actually says it hydrates and fades pigmentation, which I completely agree. I had like so many pigments on my face, and I'm sitting right here with like no makeup on my face at all. So I'm very, very happy on how this is performed. Every time I have just gone back to this moisturizer. I don't know why. There have been so many moisturizers out there, but I don't feel like leaving this one. This is so beautiful. I'm just going to show you. Just look at the condition of this. But I'm also going to show you how it look. If you see, it actually looks like it's creamy, but it is like creamy and jelly. So when I glide it, it's gone. Like, can you see? It's just gone. So I really, really like it. So it doesn't have like any major smell. It has like a tint of fragrance that your nose will probably ignore, and it is not like strong or something. It's really nice. I really, really like it. So if you're someone who really wants your face to be hydrated and you're facing like pigments, you can actually try this moisturizer. It is great. I love the concept of Dr. Sheth, where they get Ayurveda with, modern science. Like, for example, this one has Kesar and Kojic acid. And another moisturizer that I use is also from Dr. Sheth, where they use haldi with hyaluronic acid. So the combination of Indian Ayurveda and the modern science is so fabulous how they have come together. So I really, really like these products. Now the another one that I was talking about is haldi and hyaluronic acid. Now this has 0.5% of hyaluronic acid, which really helps to give that bouncy and plumpy look. It has ceramide, it has choline, it has turmeric oil. So it has really, really beautiful ingredients out there. Also, this has like, when you remove it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but when you see it very, very close, I'm not sure if you're able to see, it has like nice spots of turmeric in it, and it also smells turmeric. So I really, really like it. Again, this is, if you see, it's just gliding down. It is like more of gel and water consistency. Again, it glides in so beautifully, and the particles of turmeric is so beautiful when it like bursts on the skin, because that turmeric actually heals your skin. So I really like it, and this is actually a sleeping mask, so you can use this at night. You can probably see the difference on how hydrating my left hand looks. So I really, really like it. And yes, this is, so the Kesar one, I use it in the morning, and this one, I probably use it at night. So I really, really like it. You just have to take like pea size and just apply it all over your face. A little goes a very, very long way. So I absolutely love these products. Okay, so the next product I have is a rose water. It's summers and you really need something you can spray on your face to just give your face like a very, very calming and cooling effect. Honestly, I love the Kama Ayurvedic rose water, but it seems to be a little on a pricier end, like 1200, 1300 for a bigger bottle. I few months back discovered a rose water brand which I've been talking about on my channel, but I really wanted to not miss it in the summer staples because it is so good. This is something it looks like. Now this is the Wishcare Kanuj rose water, and it is steamed, distilled, and it is 100% pure and natural. So I really wanted something which is pure, not natural, and nothing in there. And it had like 100%. Oh Lord. It has 100% pure steam distilled rose water. It is very, very hydrating. I've already applied like sunscreen on my face, but still like, huh. It instantly like calms your skin when you're out in the sun. Just spray this and it will instantly cool and calm your face. I so love it. And this actually retails for, I'm not very sure, but I think this retails for like about 100 rupees, and the bigger version retails for about 200 or 250, wherein the Kama Ayurveda one retails about 1000 or 1200. So it was very, very expensive, but this one really does the job. It did not break me out. There is no crazy smell. It I exactly smells like rose water. So I'm really happy with this. And I think Wish Cares are doing like absolutely stunning job when it comes to like, a product. So I really, really like it. And this is very, very affordable. So if you're someone who's looking for rose water, try the Wish Care one. You'll really like it. Okay, moving on, we really need serum. So the one serum that I've been boosting about and I really, really love is by Cosrx, and it is their 6 peptide skin booster serum. I really like it because it has a watery consistency. I'll just show it to you. It's so beautiful on the skin. I'm just gonna like just put it here. You can actually see it's just running down. If you can actually see, it is so good on your skin. I really like it. I have added this as a part of my anti-aging skincare routine. It's absolutely stunning. Now, I have already said that in the past, but I'm just reading it. If somebody is new here, it actually helps to even the skin tone, to hydrate, for firmness, and to smoothen your skin. It also helps with pore and sebum care, and also help the skin texture. This has been like extremely life changing. It is super expensive, but if you can see, I've just used this much of the product. I bought this in the month of November end when there was a sale. So I've been using from December, January, February, March, April. So it's been 5 months, and I've just completed like, not even half the bottle. So I think this is going to go like very, very long way. So I am I completely feel it is okay to invest if you're someone who really, really want to take care of your skin. I was very, very skeptical because I thought, what if it doesn't work on my skin? Because it was for about 2000 rupees. So I had to put that in money. So I was very, very skeptical, but I was like, you know what? Everybody's raving about it. Let me just get my hands on it and let's see. But this has been really, really good, especially when it comes to skin texture, because I had like a skin which has different shades altogether on my face. My neck and my face never match, but now see, my neck and my face does match, and I'm so happy about it. It really helped me with the pigments, and it really helped me with the skin texture, which is very, very important. There is no like, it really helped to like soothe my, it made my skin basically softer and smoother. So if you're someone who is looking for something which really helps to soothe your skin, to make your surface super smoother, with your skin texture, you can really get your hands on this. But if you're specifically targeting for pigmentation and everything, you can also look for something which is kojic acid and vitamin C, which will be on a cheaper end, and you don't have to spend so much. But if you're in your early 30s and your late 20s, and you're looking for an anti-aging skincare routine, you can definitely get your hands on this because it is truly, truly beautiful. Okay, moving on. I've got like three makeup products, because we really need makeup occasionally, but we really do, right? So I've got like three recommendations. So the number one is by Verified. This is, I'll just read what exactly this is. So this is like step zero anti pollution blurring and hydrating primer with an SPF of 25 with a PA++. It is used to blur, prime, protect and moisturize your skin, which is so good. Now, I don't use this like every single day. I'll probably use it like the last time I used it was Easter, that is on Sunday. Uske pehle I had actually used this in January. So I use it like very, very rare. Like if I have to go to an event, I just apply this because I like my bare skin. I really don't want like tint and foundation and concealer and stuff. I like how my skin is looking. I really don't want to put a lot of things in there to make it more worse. So I stick with this. Now the thing with this is this does have like a lot of ingredients going on. So I wouldn't say it's like a clean product, but it really does the job of whatever it says. It says that it primes. It is actually it acts like a primer, so it does act like a primer. It moisturizes your skin great. It has SPF 25 with a PA plus plus. Decent enough for you have to wear your sunscreen if you're stepping out in the morning and then apply this so that you're protected. And at night you can probably just use this, and that's great. I just use this, a blush, a little bit of lipstick, and mascara, and that's about it. I don't overload my skin with a lot of makeup. So if you're someone who's looking for that no makeup look and your skin is really really great, then you can try your hands on this Verified. Again, it's by the brand Verified, and it is their Step Zero anti pollution blurring and hydrating primer with the SPF 25 PA plus plus. Now it's summers, and all that I put on my skin if I have to go out for some work or event is blushes. So I love blushes, to be very, very honest. Those are my like staples. I've got a lot of blush. I've got like three blushes, but in summers I'm just using two. So if I'm going for like, going out at night, which is very, very rare that I go out, but if I do, I use this. This is by K Beauty, and this is their shade Sweetheart Pink. I really, really like it. It's so natural on the skin. So if you're someone who's like, Indian skin tone with a medium skin color, you this will really really suit your skin. It comes with a cream consistency. It's almost like over. I'm just trying to get it out of me, so that you can actually have a look. So I take a very very little of this. So if you see, this is something it looks like. It's like more of pink but a peach tint to it. It is so good. I'm just going to give like a swatch here, and I am not sure if you can see it. Yeah, I think you should be able to see it. Really good. It blends in very very beautifully, and after you blend it, it really looks super super natural on your skin. So I really like it. I really like it. So if I'm heading out, I use this. And if it is super, super sunny and bright outside, which is in the afternoon, I tend to go with like a tint. Now, I love the Benefit tint, but that's again very, very expensive. So I got the Etude water tint. Now, I have had this from past 5 months, and just look at how much I've used. Only this much. This I think is going to just go for an entire year. I really, really like it. And this comes with like this sponge kind of a thing, like a wand, which is again very great. It is water consistency. I'm just going to show you. So I've got like two colors now. I've got this darker variant of pink, and the other one that I showed you from K Beauty is more of coral pink peach. So it depends like what my mood is, what I like. So I do this. I also kind of apply this on my lips. I really like it, and just see how it is glides. It's super super like pigmented as well. So as soon as you apply it, you really have to like brush it out and just put it all over. Otherwise, it's just gonna stay. So butter गिरा दिया. Shit. I just said that I have used this much, and I just dropped half the bottle. Good, very good. See, it's fine. I think this is the last one, so I'll probably get it clean. So yes, I'm just gonna show you. Can you see the tint now? Let me just come closer. So this is how it looks. Absolutely stunning. I really like it. And yes, with that, I really hope that you loved this video. If you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be coming with part 2 soon. So I'll see you very, very soon. Take care of yourself and happy summer. Bye bye. Lalla.